It is durable, beautiful, good on the knees.
They have a soft feel to them in terms of they help with the acoustics in the hallways and in the classrooms.
I feel like if the floors were different, it would just be echoing nonstop in here, and luckily that doesn't happen.
Anybody in my position knows that there is always 100 different things that you got to be doing, and anything that minimizes your work stress load is a great thing, and this flooring is excellent for that.
I would definitely recommend Nora flooring.
I would most definitely recommend this kind of flooring to other schools.
These are resilient, they're very, very easy to clean, and everyone I talk to, I recommend these type of flooring.